Lions do not generally target olive baboons. These monkeys can inflict serious wounds. And with so many watching eyes, baboons are hard to sneak up on. Even so, this troop is in danger from big cats. Have to keep a constant watch for lions. The monkeys do well here and live in large troops, even though they live among monkey hunters. The baboons must never relax their guard. Lions operate undercover. To trap a monkey, the big cat must become invisible. The baboons are cautious, constantly watching for danger. The way ahead looks clear. If the monkeys sense anything suspicious, they'll run for their lives. They stay close to cover, unaware that they could be walking into a lion's den. This baboon made a lucky escape, but lions have to eat, and so must kill. High in the branches, the monkeys are out of reach, but they will have to come down for food and water, and when they do, the predators of Tarangire will be waiting for them. In Tanzania's Tarangire National Park, the river always flows. In the dry season, migratory animals come to drink, and then the predators have plenty to hunt. But when it rains on the plains beyond Tarangire, the herds wander away. All that's left in the park with the baboons are residents like impala and elephants, which are difficult for lions to ambush. Tarangire's lions are well known, not as monkey hunters, but for their tree climbing abilities. Leopards are designed for climbing. Lighter and more agile than lions, they're completely at home in tall trees. When a baboon troop finds a lone leopard, all hell breaks loose. The first big male to back down concedes dominance, and the dispute is soon settled. The irksome youngster, though, has not been forgotten, apparently forgiven. Each individual has to learn what is acceptable behavior and what is not. Reprimanded for his misdemeanor, this juvenile is being put firmly in his place. By midday, it's too hot to want to sort out quarrels, and it's far too hot to hunt. So, for a few short hours, the monkeys can relax. Baboons are social animals. They have close family ties and make long-lasting friendships. Friends and relations regularly groom each other. This is essential for getting rid of parasites, but also appears to be bliss. Even extremities get a thorough going over. Eventually it gets too hot to do anything but hang out. When the temperature rises to over 30 degrees, the baboons and impala know it's safe to sleep on the ground. Only a really desperate big cat would hunt in this heat. Big males are extremely tolerant of youngsters. Gaining the trust of a baby can be very useful. Apart from being an asset in disputes with other males, these relationships can lead to special friendships with the baby's mother. As soon as it starts to cool down, the baboons move off to feed again. Figs are a favorite food. The baboons know every tree in their range and when its fruits will ripen. Faced with such abundance, the baboons drop all but the sweetest. Those waiting below reap the benefits. Ripe fruit attracts insects and they in turn draw insectivorous birds like the beautifully camouflaged firefinch. By mid-afternoon, it's cool enough for the youngsters in the crowd to play. These games are very important to young animals. They help develop relationships, muscles and coordination. It also looks like fun. By late afternoon, the big cats begin to wake up. They don't usually start hunting until it's much cooler. However, this juvenile leopard has spotted the chance for a game of cat and mouse. Or, in this case, cat and slender mongoose. There's no baboon troop to warn this mother of danger. Leopards don't usually hunt slender mongooses. This female with 2 well-grown babies is at the wrong place at the wrong time. The cub is not really hungry, it's just honing its hunting skills. The baboons must be off the ground and out of reach well before dusk when predators start to emerge. It's time for the troop to move towards a new sleeping site. Now that rain threatens, they will no longer return to the rock and risk a dangerous descent. Instead, they need to find some tall trees, trees that cats can't climb. This lioness is still hungry. With the herds far away, she's having to hunt long hours. She's on the lookout for anything she can catch. As a large troop, these baboons are relatively safe, but this dried-up riverbed offers many places for hungry cats to hide. One of the lioness's older cubs has started accompanying his mother. He instinctively knows to lie low, to watch and wait. The lioness is patient. She must let the prey come to her. Is its last. And in response to the alarm calls, the baboons run for their lives. But for the victim, the warnings have come too late. The lioness's older cub knows he can join his mother and that she will share the meal with him. This lioness has managed to provide food for her family against the odds. Lions are opportunists. When they're hungry, they'll set their sights to unusual prey. Perhaps this young male will copy his mother and hunt baboons too when he leaves the pride. Predators may kill a few baboons, but they have little effect on the monkey population. That is, as long as they can find safe places to sleep. This evening, a palm grove provides sanctuary. In a few weeks, the plains will dry out again and the herds will return to the Tarangire River. Then the time of hardship for the cats will be over. The baboons will no longer be so vulnerable to attack. But with monkey hunters around, they must be ever vigilant.